Starting a new LLC? That's a great move to protect your personal assets and legitimize your business. Today, I'll walk you through the core steps, keeping things straightforward and practical. If you're in New Jersey, handling this efficiently is within reach. And remember, choosing experienced help like FilingFox can make the process smoother if you decide to go that route. Let's begin with the foundation. Naming your LLC. Your business name has to reflect clear identity, but follow state rules closely. It needs to include limited liability company, LLC, or abbreviations like LLC or LTD. It should stand out from other companies in New Jersey, so no duplicates. And avoid any implication that it's a government agency or involved in licensed activities like banking. Before settling, check availability using the New Jersey business search tools. They're sensitive to punctuation and spaces, so be precise. Once you find the right name, securing a matching domain early can boost your online presence. Next, appoint a registered agent. This person or entity acts as the official point of contact for legal and government notices. It can be you, a trusted individual, or a commercial service. If privacy matters, like keeping your home address off public records, a commercial service such as FilingFox provides an address shield and offers mail forwarding. They tend to charge a modest fee, around $10 monthly, and can take care of your mail scanning and official notices, saving you hassle and privacy concerns. Now, you're ready for the formal application to form your LLC. You'll submit this online through New Jersey's system or via mail. The fee is $125. When you complete the form, you'll provide details such as your LLC's name and the registered agent's info. A certificate of formation or authority will be issued once everything's approved. Following that, it's important to register your business with the state. This step involves filing a registration document, which can be done online or by mail. No fee applies here. This process ensures your LLC is recognized for tax and legal purposes. While optional, crafting an operating agreement is highly recommended. This document clarifies ownership, voting, profit sharing, and management roles, helping prevent disputes later on. If you plan to open a business bank account or seek financing, many banks might request this agreement. You can find free templates online, so it's a simple step to organize your internal business structure. Lastly, the EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is your business's social security number. It's essential for tax filings, hiring employees, and opening bank accounts. The IRS offers a free online application, and the process takes minutes. Once your LLC is up and running, maintaining its status involves certain practices. Keep your personal and business finances separate, using dedicated bank accounts and credit cards to uphold liability protections. Building business credit, obtaining necessary insurance, and establishing an online presence with a site are all smart moves. Consulting with an accountant helps keep your finances healthy and compliant. If you're considering professional assistance, FilingFox offers reliable services to help with registration, ongoing filings, and privacy, making the process less stressful. You can always reach out to them at info@filingfox.com for tailored guidance. That about covers the essentials. Starting your LLC is just the beginning. Staying organized, compliant, and strategic will help your business thrive. Feel free to explore more resources, and remember, precise and confident steps lead to success.